A good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku, in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 8th, 2025. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9867. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, let me tell you, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13, and it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. 4 stars puzzles, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here... Oh, no. 2 single boxes. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle, I believe. We have here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Okay. Next question, do we have a quadra box? I see only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1, the 2, and the 4 are missing here. Okay. Here another quadra box in the L shape. Well, when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box of the L shape, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Insufficient information right now. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Upside down, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z, and when you flip the Z, you will get the S construction. But it's the same shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this Z, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2. Nope, 3. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. And it's also connected with that box, so 4 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Rotate it, this one. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here another one. This box is the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. We have them all. Maximum are 6. Maximum 6 shapes. That you need to recognize. Question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This shape, 2 missing numbers. 2, 3, 4, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left and 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, so 5. Then I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on, this box can be 5, that box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking, come on. This box can be 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3 is connected with that box, so a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, that box can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this cross area is supposed to be there. This box is connected with that box, so a 3. Then this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Alright, and now I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 is connected with that box 2 and the 4. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, and now I need a 5 here, and I need a 2. This box can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this cross area is supposed to be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. And I've eliminated here the 2, so 2 goes there then. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in the Z construction should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 3, we have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, okay. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction supposed to be there. Eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this area. Z in Z construction should be the 5. Yeah. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, so 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left now in this area for number 4. We go up. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. Then, let me see. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here. Because if I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 is supposed to be there. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Then this box. Wait. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Suppose the 4, I place a 4 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area. So also that box can be a 4. So the only place left for 4 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3. And 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left now in this L-shaped area for number 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Whoa! Surprise! Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2. Should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.